Hey guys, what's up? I'm just coming from the supermarket. Just run go pick up few stuff. Why my camera? Oh crap! Don't do that. Just rush go pick up few little things. Like less than 10 minutes me out. So I can't show no one me buy. Alright, so don't mind the mess because I'm going to clean today. I'll be cleaning tomorrow and cook tomorrow Sunday. So I buy one more stuff now. This is the one that I use. This is the one I love. This is the only soap I use. It don't strip me hand. So I got one more tissue, bar soap. I use the body wash, but like when persons there have shower, me like a bar soap, although they can't use body wash. I got another one of this. This is amazing for clean bathroom, shower, or whatever me spray pan anyway. And dishwashing. In regards to what else me buy, I buy one feeding the puppy scallion. Let me put this in my fridge now. Every time you eat, I kind of feel sick after, so I always like to have mint. Carrot, onion. Yes, I'm a child. I like this. No one thing. I have moments where I switch up cereals and I love. Sometimes I do Raisin Bran or the Fitness one them, but from the other day I feel Lucky Charms, and then pretty soon go feel for something different. As I say, it wasn't like a big shopping, just like we take up one or two things in my out pan. I get one vegetable oil because much time like I'm go French fry. But I use this the coconut oil. 10 feet, get the color I want. Apple concentrate, I want that be so good. Flaming hot Cheetos. Someone tried the fries. Frankfurter. What else? Vinegar. I normally buy the liter. Something feels showy. I normally buy the liter vinegar, but I have some here, so I just get on the corn. Milk, lactose free. Let's go. One bit me and tea bag on time. I think that's it. Oh no. Meat and egg. So as I said, it's a Saturday. To be honest, from the home today, I never really do nothing much. Now that it come down to the evening, I feel like to do something. Yeah, so I just go wash out two little something. Change my sheet. Oh, that's the reason why I'm gonna spread my bed yet. I change my sheet. So I'm gonna change my sheet if I feel like. Pack up them here and then I go season up my meat for tomorrow. So I don't think I do nothing serious that evening. So when I cook tomorrow or I clean tomorrow, I'll show. And if me take me clean this evening, or maybe just the bathroom. I don't know, but I love clean bathroom. My favorite place to clean a bathroom. This is how I wore my head to the supermarket. Believe it or not. So I wore my head to the supermarket. So I go. So I'm gonna finish what I'm doing because night they come down as a quint. As I say evening now, like after 3 they go 4. And I probably I'll go outside go rake too. Rake up a leaf them. So guys, we come in, but it start raking and Tony come and take it over. Which me glad because my side when it start to hurt me. So now me hurry up whip up some baked bean franks and dumpling and 1 piece of pumpkin. No yam. Still not season up the meat yet, still not take up the something here from the counter because I wipe them after. So I'm gonna do that now while the water go and boil. I already make the dough for the dumpling. So I roll up my flowers, drop them in the pot. When I eat enough, I went to like Senti and get a piece of pumpkin here. Music cook super there. So I make that down and deal with the baby now. I know me look rough. And I do have a breakout again. May I say that before? I remember. At this point, I just have to say armor now. Because it normally happens before that time I month or after or during. And then it will clear up for a long good 2 weeks and then they come back. So just to get used to it. Let me stop rambling and just get busy. Look over the sun. Well, whoa. So that's still have stuff to clear off from there. So I'm gonna cut up my seasonings and the sausage right over here. And the oil are hot. So I use it like coconut oil. Sometimes we use butter with sweet veggies. But I don't feel like that right now. I just make me first because it just turn on heat and the sausage. Why am I giving instructions of with the simple baked bean after? I think I'm gonna cut it here. Like I'm gonna take more show nothing else right now. Probably me done my show, or if not, it will be in the morning. So I'm doing a ramado of bed and bed. I'm kind of feeling on the palm of foot like I cannot pull on my side. And time I right side right now. Or map or sleep. Anything I kind of choose to the side. So I'm gonna do what I do and catch you guys in the next clip. So I done taking up on the parcel. It's separately. I have little flour here with little seasoning, not much because I don't want it too salt, and yeah, I put little baking powder in it, about half teaspoon. It's a double acting baking powder, so I'm not use too much. And start frying. So I don't know what's going on with these peas. Them me a lot soon done fry like 2 pieces of it. And the peas them no budget. And this put on long. Oh, I'm shut the fuck up. Why? Never cook it. Because I'm going to add some baking soda to the pot. Yeah, that's a tip, guys. So, mommy actually teach me that start adding just like a pinch of baking soda actually helps soften the peas, but you don't use a lot, like a pinch, because they go froth up too. And if you use too much, it go bitter.